Welcome to the latest road rage moment in this video. Let's go.
Copy, wobbling, sounds good. And time. Speed to 130. Contact attention 4 citizens.
Up on your right. Right left there, 151. Nays 1050.
Copy 1050. Alpha 21, 1 call 3, 10-4.
A car door swung open without warning, almost causing an accident.
Tá que pariu, velho. Essa foi de ter tudo, mano. Yep.
What do you think about this collision? Personally, I believe the white car intentionally hit the motorcycle.
Yeah, I'm good, bro. I think so.
It looks fucking broken. Oh, it's off. Hold it open.
Broken? Is it?
It's fucking broken. Stop moving it.
Alright, alright, alright.
Fortunately, he was wearing protective gear during the accident, which likely saved him from serious injury.
Ja, 你怎么看呢？刚刚那个你没有看到吗？
Speeding while having limited visibility can quickly lead to dangerous outcomes. His carelessness over the speed bump cost him. Though there was no collision, the fall left him in serious pain.
You alright, fella?
London Road Street Dog.
You alright?
My tattoo good?
Huh?
My tattoo good?
Is your tattoo good? He seems alright, yeah.
Yeah, he's alright.
You alright, fella?
He's alright.
He's attempting to put out the flames using his foot.
Fire!
Kick it down.
You okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
My bike caught on fire.
Hey, where are you looking?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a zebra!
Bobby. Why? You didn't see that there was in the middle.
No, you wasn't looking. You zebra crossing just there. What are you doing?
Why you didn't turn?
What is the matter with you?
Yeah, I think it's all good. Yeah, I think it's just hit my tire.
Oh god. Is it okay?
Yeah,
I will totally
we're good.
Anything. I'm sorry that you had wrecked. I started rolling away.
Yeah, I started going, but then a car was coming, so I stopped.
So sorry.
Yeah, it's all good.
Do not laugh. Are you all good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, have a good one.
Sorry.
Always take a moment to observe carefully before making any move on the road.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Just mirror.
He's clearly shaken, but it seems he's all right.
Via fiato, via fiato.
After the fall, his motorcycle was propelled nearly 100 meters away.
You good? You good? Alright.
The collision sent both him and his girlfriend tumbling onto the road, with the motorcycle falling over. Luckily, no one was hurt.
Uh-oh. You alright? Let me help you. Oh shit, you lost your oil, dude. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Fuck, would you break? Oh, you just cracked your case?
Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting videos. Goodbye and see you again.